Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu greetings, alishanmao here. Time for me to experience the real RC driving with the RDSS right here, real drive steering system, and my trusted MN82 Toyota Land Cruiser. All right, so I'm just gonna go on the bridge first. And I'm far from the bridge, so it's not easy for me to see where the car is going. Wait, I missed the entrance. So turn more. Yes, I did it. Yeah. So first is done. All right, let me reverse it. The diff lock tester. I think this car does have a diff lock in it. Yeah, awesome. That did it, man. That did it. I can see it very clear, so I can actually put the wheels where I want. Awesome. Let's go on this final rock climber or rock crawling. So guide me, Arish, where my wheels are going. Left wheel I worry is going because right. I'm watching it from the side. Is it good? Is it good?
Right.
Yeah, this time it's doing very well. Hold on. And coming down here. Precision control, baby. If I am going to drive this with an FPV system on board and have a head tracking so I can turn the camera left and right, this is going to be the most realistic, most engaging experience ever. Alrighty, I'm just gonna park it right next to the stones, this stony challenge. Ta-da! This is how you enjoy driving your RC vehicle, being in a real driver's seat.
Crash, rebuild, bounce back, that's what I do. Crash, rebuild, bounce back quick. We in the dirty south, ain't no one slick.